At least this is the right time to make me your real wife.
What stupidity am I hearing? This girl is mad. What nonsense? Who to make you your wife? His wife? Are you? So the food you have to put the fish very well. Make some spice. Make sure the spice comes out.
Sir.
Yes, hi. How are you?
Please, can I borrow you for a moment?
Are you insane? Can't you see we are in the middle of a discussion?
Hello?
Hi!
I wasn't talking to you. I'm talking to him. Sir, please, come.
Look here. It's very obvious that your senses are really not passing information to your brain. Because if they are, your eyes should have told you that we both are in a serious discussion.
Like, what was that for?
What was that?
Did you just push me?
I will do worse than that.
Do you know who you just pushed?
Who are you?
Well, for your information, you just pushed the mother of his unborn child.
Eh?
Yes, darling. I, Stephanie Ojukwu, is carrying your baby.
Hey! You are carrying what? What did I hear you say? You're carrying whose baby? You must be mad. You both must be out of your minds. And in fact, you girls are mad. Shut it up. Shut that dated mouth up. I want to give you people just a little small warning. I don't want to ever hear this conversation come out of your lips.
But baby!
Hey! What did you just call me? Baby? I am your boss, and that is final.